we're going to start the Kheema spaghetti. Okay, I'm going to take oil again. First add the garam masala to the oil. Okay, the oil is nice and warm. So garam masala done. I'm taking it out. I'm going to use Kheema, which is 70% of mutton and 30% of fat. Yeah. And I'm going to just leave it aside. I want the same pan. I do not want to throw off the fat from the pan. So I'm just going to put it into a strainer. I'm going to add more oil to this. No, that's... I'm going to add a little more oil in this. Okay. With oil, I'm going to now add a little bit of jeera. Little jeera. I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add tomatoes. Okay. So at this point, I like my onions a little al dente-ish, meaning I like a little bite in my Kheema. So I'm going to take my onions out. So it's very important to have that. I'm going to add my lamb back in. The load of masala, whatever. So dhania powder. A little bit of jeera powder. Chili powder. Chili paste. So that's it. So I'm going to add a little water so that my masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. You can use stock, I'm using water. So yeah, I'm going to simmer it, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to add, just add how much over you like, yeah. You should just coat your spaghetti really well. So I would let this simmer for a good 1 hour and then add the garam masala and all of that. But then everybody has to leave. I'm going to go a little faster on this. I'm going to add salt, okay? Salt and lemon juice, a little bit of Kitchen King. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for a good 1 hour and then we're good. Yeah, I'm going to finish off with coriander. Right now, I'm just trying to get it all around. So I'm going to take it back to the back burner for you all to really taste what it is, or I can put it here, no problem. Again, I'm going to start with a little oil. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. So this is how we serve, just about tossing your spaghetti with the Kheema. Like an Indian bolognese, which is rightly mentioned. So when we want something a little saucy, again we add a lamb base, lemon juice, coriander, cheese. Cheese is always towards the end. I hope everybody knows that. You can. You could do like a nice tandoori butter chicken spaghetti instead, no? I would add my crumbles right now. Yeah, that's how we serve our Kheema spaghetti.